Are you tired of all the hype around AI, but don't know where to start? Imagine creating real income streams from home, even if you've never done this before. Stick around because I'm about to show you a simple AI blueprint that even total beginners can follow. My first impression? AI Side Hustles for Beginners is insanely beginner friendly. No coding, no big budget, and step by step instructions that anyone can follow. If you want a fast, practical way to use AI to make money online, this is exactly what you need. So, what is this? AI Side Hustles for Beginners is a complete starter playbook for marketers, freelancers, and creators. It shows you how to use free or low cost AI tools to write, design, create videos, sell digital products, and even offer services to clients. Perfect for struggling affiliate marketers, social media managers, stay at home parents, anyone ready to make AI work for them. And the best part? It's broken down to a sixth grade reading level, so you never feel overwhelmed. Let me show you how it works. Once you log in, you'll see a clean, beginner-friendly dashboard. Each module is laid out clearly. Module 1, use AI to write emails, blogs, and ads in minutes. Module 2, create stunning AI images, no design skills needed. Module 3, make engaging video clips, even if you hate tech. Module 4, step-by-step action plans, 7-day and 30-day guides. Module 5, tools, templates, and prompts ready to use today. Everything is plug and play. You literally pick a task, follow the prompts, and you're off building your first income stream. And here's where it gets crazy. If you grab it through my link today, you get these exclusive bonuses worth hundreds of dollars. WP Slideshow Master. Create stunning slideshows in minutes. Lead Book Generator. Automatically add leads to your email list. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to boost clicks and sales. Conversion Equalizer. Optimize your ad conversions effortlessly. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse any sales page without duplicating. Action Poll. Segment your list for better opt-ins and sales. Soci Ultima. Free social media traffic from videos. Keyword Research. Ninja 2.0. Find profitable keywords fast. Backlinks Warrior. Get targeted backlinks to rank higher. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Instant sites to attract traffic. And that's just the beginning. Grab this today, and you'll have tools, templates, and bonuses that give you a massive head start. So my final verdict? AI Side Hustles for Beginners is a game changer for anyone wanting to make money online with AI. Step by step, practical, and beginner approved. But here's the catch. These exclusive bonuses are limited and will disappear in 48 hours, and the PLR options are always limited. Don't wait. Click the link below now to lock in your bonuses and start your AI side hustle today. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, leave a comment letting me know which AI strategy you'll try first, and subscribe for more ways to make money online. Click the link in the description to grab AI Side Hustles for Beginners and all these exclusive bonuses before they're gone.